Today I'm looking at Filmstro, which creates music, backing tracks for your videos, for your blogs, for your company, for just about anything. They're royalty free, so you're not going to get those copyright claims, you're not going to get that nasty letter through the door. But what the beauty of Filmstro is you can load a video up into Filmstro that you want to create a backing track for. You can select the music you want to use, and then during that, basically you play back the video and you can make real-time adjustments to it. It's quite good. And then you can save it. So you can adjust the length of the track so that the track fits perfectly with your video. And you can say at a certain point in the song you want more impact. You can give it more impact. Then you can make it smoother during other points. I'll put a link in the description of this video so you can try it out for yourself. I'm not an expert, but if this is your thing, definitely worth trying it out. So here we go. Here is Filmstro. First thing you do is you browse through their library. So there's lots of different genres here. There's acoustic, cinematic, electronic. So let's go for electronic. And then you find the track that you want to use. And obviously these will be growing all the time. Do you know what? That'll do for the demo. There's my track. It'll load Jarvis up. Once it's done that, you can load up your video. So you simply click on the clip. I'm just going to get any old video here. So we'll use that one. All right, so you can play that clip back with the music. Now, listen, this is just the demo version, so it will say, welcome to filmstro.com. Now, but I'll be able to show you the basics. As I say, if this is your thing, then you can really jump into this and have a play for yourself. All right, so you can have a metronome playing as it plays the track, so you can get your timing, you can reset and everything. So I'm not going to, this is a basic music play line. Here we go. So we are going to play the track back.
Filmstro.com.
And here is the session. And you can see the video is playing with the backing track.
Filmstro.com.
If you want the backing
Choose
track,
the second
volume
task
playing,
in order.
you can. I'm going to take the volume right down on that. Now this is where it gets clever. Just let me pause for a minute. Pause it. So as I'm playing that track, say there's a bit in this video where I want a bit more impact. So I'm playing the track.
I think she's still real.
And I want some impact now.
The AI is getting good at this.
It gives it the beat. And then I can reduce the impact.
You can choose the
Or if I want more
second
momentum.
task. By that, you can be sure you don't work in the most popular projects, and it can have a negative impact on other projects.
So you can,
Good. I'm not sure. What do you think? In the comments.
more depth.
Filmstro.com.
Or is she?
That's the main thing. You can adjust the track with momentum, depth, and power to really custom it. And obviously, it'll ultimately save those through the timeline. I'm not an expert on what the in shape and the out shape is. Let's have a look. You click on a bar and you can adjust the in shape and the out shape. Let's have a look. In length, out length. Oh, yes. So you can change the, as I say, sorry that this is not a video from an expert music creator, but you can ramp up the music, so that it fades up. It'll take a little bit of a learning curve for you to suss everything out on it. Yeah, so I'm not an expert on the music side of it, but, you can change all the different parameters and adjust the length of the track so it fits in perfectly with your video. And when you're happy with it, you can save it. Okay, so if you export the soundtrack, it'll just export the track as a high resolution WAV file, and then you can go into your video editing software. So it doesn't actually allow you to, within their software, export the video with the new soundtrack, but then you export that soundtrack and then you will go into your editing software and add that to your video. Or you can export the template if you want to save all the timeline data. So if you wanted to use this later on and modify it and change it, you could do that later on. So that's it. All right, quick video. Definitely worth a look if you do that kind of thing and you are looking for backing tracks for your videos. Definitely worth considering Filmstro. It's one of them. I don't actually use a lot of backing tracks on my videos. And then when I do use videos on my TikToks, to be honest, I just use the TikTok videos. So not so much for me, but I can see a use for this if you are creating masterpieces that need fantastic music in the background. So check it out. The link is in the description. If you like my little videos, it'd be great if you could subscribe to my channel and tell your friends. See you later, everyone.